Hey guys, I've got a bonnet lifting kit from Moss Europe for £85, and I've got this because one big weak spot of Triumph Spitfire is when you actually lift up the bonnet as a single man operation, it's so large in a surface area that the bonnet can actually twist and in time actually split and crack at the top. So these bonnet struts that Moss Europe sell are actually a good thing because they actually stop that from happening. So anyway, let's get them on the car. So there we are, the bonnet lifting kit fitted to the Triumph Spitfire project, and I've got to say this is a really well engineered and thought out bit of equipment. It makes lifting up the bonnet up and down effortless. It's really well engineered because it's a bolt-on kit. It's easily reversible, there's no welding, no riveting, no cutting involved. You can easily just unbolt it and go back to the original style, and I really like that. It's a tad expensive at £85, but I think that's a small price to pay rather than having to repair your bonnet because, say, it's warped or split down the middle. So brilliant, all in all, absolutely brilliant. Recommend it to anybody. So anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.